In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to WordPressTV. WordPressTV is a free website maintained by volunteers in which we publish all the videos from WordCamps, meetups, and WordPress tutorials. If you want to upload your own video, you just have to go to Get Involved in this link at the top, and there click on Submit your WordPress video. Here you will find this form. We will have to fill every single field. So let's go to it. The first one is this is a WordCamp video. You just only have to check this. This is actually a video which was recorded during a WordCamp. Otherwise, you leave that empty. Next one is the video title, which has to be just the name of the talk, not the speaker, not the event, just the talk. For example, let's say sample talk. Next one is the language on which is spoken on the video. And there we have to follow the format, name of the language in English and / name of the language in the local language. For example, here we have a list of the most common language names in WordPressTV. And you see that we always use the name of the language in English / name of the language in the local language. If it's English, we just put English. Let's go on. Next one, okay, let's say that is Spanish, for example. Next one is the date this video was recorded, not when you are uploading that, you know, when was the video recorded. Let's just select the date. Next one is the location, is the city where the recording took place. If it was an online event, you can just select World Wide Web. Otherwise, you have to select the city where the recording took place. If the city you need is not here, you can request that. Next one is the category. If you select this is a WordCamp video, the WordCamp TV will be automatically selected. Otherwise, you have to select the kind of event where the recording took place. Let's say that this is a WordPress meetup. Producer username is your WordPress username, your WordPress username profile, which is used to give you credit as the person who uploaded this video, but also to contact you in case there's any issue with the video. So let's put mine. This is the speaker or speakers that spoke during the video. If there's more than one, you just put a comma between them. Let's say test the speaker. The event is the event where the recording took place. For example, let's say WordPress Meetup A Coruña, which is automatically filled depending on the fields that I checked on the top fields. We don't include the year anymore. So if it's a meetup, it's just WordPress Meetup A Coruña. This will be the description of the video, which usually we take that from the WordCamp website or the meetup description. So let's put a lorem ipsum here by now. And this is the URL for the slides, which has to be a public URL. You can upload the slides to the WordCamp website, to Google Slides, to a speaker deck, or whatever site public where you can actually link that video and access the slides. And the last one is the video file. But before, we have to see some details about what are the requirements of the videos uploaded to WordPressTV. The resolution has to be 1080 or 720. Vertical resolution videos are not allowed. File size must be under 2 GB. You will see in some places of the website that it has to be under 1 GB. Actually, it's 2 GB. But keep in mind that the bigger the video, the most probably is that the upload fails. So try to be sensible and make it as light as possible. Content has to be related to WordPress, and content must be primarily educational in nature. This means that you cannot upload, say, promotion video or just a video talking about your own company. In that sense, logos or social media handles are only allowed in the first or last slide where you present the speaker, present yourself, but the rest of the slides has to be clean because this is meant to be educational content that should be useful to others, not to yourself. So let's finish our form submission. We just have to check choose file, select our video file, and then click on submit. You will get this progress bar, and once everything is okay, you will get a green flag at the top, a green text on the top saying that the video was uploaded correctly and is pending to be moderated. And finally, here you have 2 links with more resources that you can use if you need that. This is the page for the WordPress TV team where you can find our handbook and more information. And if you have any doubts, you can also go to the Make WordPress Slack, and we can find the WordPress TV team in the WTV channel. So that's all, and we are waiting for your videos.